My name is Nina. Nice to meet you. How's the weather today? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today? Ooh, sounds like I need an umbrella. How's the weather today? It's rainy. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Everyone wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Today we're going to read a story about rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Do you like rainy days? Why? Rain. Story by Robert Kalan. Illustrated by Donald Cruz. What color do you see? Blue. Blue sky. Yellow sun. Clouds. What colors are they? White. White clouds. Gray clouds. No sun. Where is the sun? Gray sky. Rain. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the black road. Rain on the red car. Rain on the orange flowers. What are the new things you've seen? Rain on the brown fence. Rain on the purple flowers. Oh. Rain on the white house. Rain on the green trees. Rain, rain, rain. Rainbow. Red, orange, yellow and green, blue and purple too. I can see a rainbow, see a rainbow. Can you see a rainbow here? It's beautiful, isn't it? Me and rain. Now do you remember in the beginning of the story we saw a blue sky, and then here comes the yellow sun. You are right. The next one is white cloud. White clouds. They change the color into gray clouds. Then no sun. Gray sky. And what happened? Rain. Rain. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the black road. Rain on the red car. Rain on the orange flowers. Rain on the brown fence. I know that's another color of flowers. Purple flowers, right? Rain on the purple flowers. What else do you remember? White? White something? Yes. Rain on the white house. Rain on the green trees. Rain, rain. This is the story Rain. Do you like the story? Yes, I like it too. See you next time. Bye bye.